Daily activities to stay connected with your parents. With daily activities, you can send photos and videos, record meals, naps, incidents, and more, and track student development via learning. Here's how to record a daily activity on our app. Click on Activity, and from the number of activities to choose from, let's go with Learning for today. Let's say Alex and Sarah are doing finger painting. So I want to go to the activity name and actually select Arts and Crafts for finger painting. Keep in mind that all of these names are completely customizable for your center. According to the categories, these would be the developmental skills you're trying to address, so I can select fine motor and social. Again, you can customize those. You would be able to write a description, like finger painting. And then you can also take a picture to show the progress on the painting so far. If your activity needs approval before you send it out, you can select staff only. Otherwise, you can just hit Add Activity to send it to the parent. Now let's see how the parent would view this activity on the app. Let's say Alex's mom has logged into her Kinderlime app. She's able to see her child's profile, and there's the activity that we just recorded for finger painting in Arts and Crafts. If she wants to view other activities that have been sent to her, she can scroll up on the screen, and all of the activities are right there. And that's it. This is a quick and easy way to stay connected with your parents through Kinderlime.